Do you love daddy? How much? Kiss me si daddy. I love you. How old are you? How old are you? 5. Hindi ka pa naman 5 eh. 4 ka lang.
Now
You're turning 5 on how many months? What's today? It's
9.
October 29, November, December, January. 4 months. In 4 months,
No.
you're turning 5.
Back. Back.
How much do you love me?
Back. Back. Back.
Do you love your sister?
Key.
Yeah? Do you love your sister?
Back.
Do you love... hindi. Do you love your sister? No?
Yeah.
Yes or no?
Yeah.
Ano ba?
Yeah.
Yeah? How about your brother?
Yeah.
How
But
much?
Kuya always hit me.
Kuya's always what?
Kuya always hit me.
Always hit you? Because you hit Kuya too.
No, I don't.
Yes, you do.
No.
You and Kuya. You guys should love each other, okay?
Each other, but Kuya always jumped on me last night in our
okay.
old house because I was so
Kuya.
sitting in the hurt.
Do you love your sister?
Hey guys, hey.
Oh, be careful. You guys don't hit each other, okay? When you grow up, after 10 years, what's today? 2025. After 10 years, in 2035, Gael, you're gonna watch this video, and you will be amazed. You were so little, and you too. You're gonna see this 10 years from today.
Dad,
You're gonna watch this.
what? What?
What do you wanna say right now?
Me?
You're gonna you're gonna see this.
Your future. Dad, mommy, I know that.
What is it? What is it?
Right there.
You're gonna see this. If I save this video, you're gonna see this after 10 years. Today is 2025. You're gonna see this 2035.
No!
You're 7 years old right now, right? You'll see this
I'm 7
when
years
you're
old too.
17 years old.
I'm 17.
Yeah.
I'm gonna be 7. 17 years old.
You're
I'm your future.
you're
Are you watching? I'm your future. I'm your future.
you're past. You're not the future. Baliktad naman eh.
Hey,
You're the past.
I'm past. I'm past.
You probably have girlfriend by that time, 17 years old.
Yeah.
You're already to grade 12.
Oh yeah, I just saw a turtle.
You're probably driving. Ellie, you're probably
No, you have to have.
You're probably-
be 18.
Hindi, pwede na. 17, nag-drive na ako eh. You're probably driving by that time. When you're
18.
Pwede na nga 17. I started driving when I was 17.
No mana.
Tama, inuman na. Kiss daddy.
Hey, there's a dog.
Kiss mo si daddy.
Where?
Kiss mo si daddy.
We're a hog.
Ellie, kiss daddy.
I'm your
You're probably when
fast.
you 10 years 8, Gael. Ellie, probably when in 10 years after today, you're 17, you're not kissing me anymore because you're shy now. Kiss me right now. So, I love you.
Love you.
Because when you grow up, you're gonna be shy to your friend that you're kissing your
Kuya,
dad.
that's
You're
not a
probably gonna
dog.
be shy to
That's
your
a
friends.
zombie dog.
But right now, you're not shy, right? You love daddy?
Yeah.
Oh, kiss me.
No.
I love you.
Kuya, that's not a dog. That's a zombie dog.
How about you, Sabel? Come here.
Wait, in 2035, wait, in 2035, wait, what? How do you call it?
Yeah, 2035.
How old is Cindy Ismail?
She will
Wait,
be
she would be,
11.
oh yeah, because,
Oh, 12. Kasi magtuto na siya. She'll turn into on December. She'll be 12.
who will be 2? A summit.
Kiss daddy. Kiss daddy, Isabel.
Hey, Dad,
Kiss daddy.
look, This is a hack in Minecraft.
Kiss me.
This is a hack in Minecraft.
Kiss daddy. Ay, hindi mo
This is-
kulab. Ha?
This is a hack in Minecraft. No more water.
No, my water.
There's water. Oh,
Kiss papa.
wait.
Kiss papa.
Get out.
Kiss papa.
Get
Dito. Here, kiss.
Get out.
Kiss me here.
Get out. Get out.
Do you love daddy?
Uh,
Do you love daddy?
oh
Do you love daddy?
Black cells.
Do you love daddy?
won't get you.
Do you love me?
Mom, you love me. Mom.
10 years from now, Gab, you will be ano, 14 years old.
Oh,
Yeah.
not 4 now.
Huh?
Not 4.
Not 4 because 10 plus 4 is 14.
No.
And we live here in 5 Wood Hollow.
Dad.
So, hopefully 10 years after 10 years from now, hopefully we have our own house, right?
Yeah.
Do you want to have our own house?
Yeah. No.
You're gonna have your own room. You're not gonna be with Gabby together, like sleeping on a bunk bed anymore.
Yeah, good.
Yeah.
No, I don't want Kuya to go.
You like that? Why? You're gonna have your own room too, Gab.
Where?
If-
Your
if-
own
if-
house. You're gonna
If
marry
we
a
have
boy.
our own house,
You're gonna
this
have
is
a-
only an apartment.
You're gonna.
If we
you're
buy a
gonna-
house,
You're gonna marry a boy. A boy? Maybe. I don't want to marry a boy.
ito si Akyat oh.
Oh.
Where's the big belly? Where's the big belly?
Bro.
So, big belly.
Okay, we're trying to find that.
Ito, ang payat to. You don't eat a lot. You will see this video, you're so skinny. Because you don't eat a lot. Not like Kuya and Isabel. You always eat junk food. You eat chips.
So she's gonna be fat in the future.
Maybe. We don't know.
Because you guys are gonna sleep. Oh, Taylor, like the line group. Oh, there it is. Dad, I can do debit. Debit, please. Dad, please. Dad, please. Nope.
Where's mommy?
Dad,
Where's mommy?
I know where mommy is. Burger King.
Is she working?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Trying to find mom. Oh, there's mom. He's at Burger King.
Daddy can't work. Why daddy can't work?
Because your leg's broken.
Your leg's broken.
No, because you're injured.
I'm injured.
It's the same thing. And you take care of us forever and ever.
Do I cook? Who's cooking food? Who's a better cook, Kel?
Mommy and Daddy.
How about you, Kel? Who's the better cook? Who cook
Mom.
better? Huh?
Mom.
What you mean, bro? I cook every day. She doesn't cook.
No, it's not true. Get out of here.
I love you, Kuya.
Love you. 6, 7.
I love you,
6,
Ate.
7. Love you.
I love you, Isabel.
I love you. This is so good.
Say bye-bye to the video.
Bye. 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 Bye.
Bye.
Future me.
No, pass.
Past me.
Say, I'll see you in 10 years.
I'll see you in 10 years. See you at that.
Say, Isabel, see you in 10 years.
See you at that.
How about you, Kuya? See you. Bye-bye.
See you. Bye.
Today is October. What's the date today, Kuya?
October 27th.
No, it's actually October 30.
Oh, wait, November's Halloween's gonna be tomorrow.
Tomorrow, yeah, Halloween na.
Wait, let's take
What's your costume? Tell them. What's your costume for Halloween?
Alien.
Alien.
Mine is a demon.
Who are you?
Demon?
How about you? What are you gonna be?
Demon.
How about Isabel? What is
He
you
can be the demon as me.
Today is October 30, 2025.
Hey! 2025.
Yeah, after 10 years, we're gonna watch this video again, okay?
No, wait.
I'm gonna upload this on YouTube so we can watch it on TV.
What is it gonna be called?
What's the title? 10 years,
Once I was
10 year,
years.
10 years, ano kaya? No, I'm just gonna put the
10 years old.
10 years old. Ano kaya maganda na?
When I was 7 years old.
Yeah, yun na lang. Lagyan natin. When I was... Ay! Ya ate!
When
You
I
say
was 7
sorry.
years old. When I was 7.
You say sorry.
There's a song. What's it called? 1,000. Let's go right together. When? Not one. Not once. When? Okay? When?
When I was 7 years old, lalagay ko?
Yeah.
Okay.
And
Tapos lalagay
one.
ko, ha?
And one.
Sino yung one?
This one.
Si Isabel.
And
Ah.
two.
Basta si Gabby. Hindi, lalagay ko na yung age nyo. GL, 7 years old. Gabby, 4 years old. And then
What?
Isabel, 1 years old. 1 year old. O, sige na, say bye-bye na.
Bye. Wait for me. Bye, Cass. Bye. See you in 20 hours.
20 hours. Okay, bye-bye.
See you in 20 hours.
No, 10 years.
Oh, 10 years. Years.